Today I got this error Unarc.dll returned an error code -1. Let's fix it, guys. Just right click on the setup folder and select cut option, and then go to this PC and open the drive that has enough space, and right click on the blank area and select new and select folder. Name this folder games and press enter. Go to search menu and type Windows Security, click on open it. Select the virus and threat protection and select manage settings. Scroll down and select add or remove exclusions and select yes. Select add an exclusion and select folder, and you just need to navigate to the games folder that we created. Select the games folder and select folder option, and the games folder has been added to this list. Just to close stuff here and open the games folder and paste to the setup folder we copied. And now go to search menu and type msconfig. Comes up system configuration, click on open it. Select the boot tab and select advanced options and check mark this number of processors. Click on the drop down and select 10 and select OK and select apply and OK for save changes. Select the restart option and restart your PC. After restarting your PC, open the task manager, go to performance, and here you can able to see the processor is reduced to 10. Just close tab here and open the setup folder and double click on setup and select yes. Select the language and select OK. Select this music icon to mute the music and make sure nothing is running in the background. If you have under 8 GB RAM, then check mark this box, guys. Limit installer to 2 GB of RAM usage, and then select next and select next. Select the browse option and select the games folder that we created and select OK and select next. In VoiceOver, check mark your preferred language and scroll down other things checked and select install. After the installation done, scroll down and uncheck this option and select finish. And as you can see, all files are okay. There is no missing or bad files found. Just to close stuff here and install the DirectX and Visual C++. And now just select the exit option and go to search menu and type msconfig. Comes up system configuration, click on open it. Go to boot tab, select advanced options. Uncheck this number of processors and select OK and select apply and OK for save changes. Select the restart option and restart your PC. After restarting your PC, launch the game through the game desktop shortcut. Using these video steps, I fixed the error. If this video helped you, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe. Thank you.